Hey everybody, so today we're going to go through another feature in the ClosetPro system, and that's going to be the custom markup. So this will be for admins of the accounts who want to add a markup outside of the standard markup and accessory markup. So to do that, we're going to go to settings. Again, you have to be in the admin side of the account. We'll go to markups. Again, you see the standard and accessory that come with the system. These defaults are 3 and 2 in our system right now. You know that you can change these in each individual user as well. But let's say I want to mark up my drawer boxes differently than the rest of my material. I'll go to add new markup. Have this in here, so I'll put in the drawer box markup name. And then let's say I want to mark them up at 1.5. I'll add that record. This will default for every new user in the system, or all users in the system, unless you go into their specific user page and change it. So I'll show you that in a second. But to apply this, when we come to our drawer boxes, let's say I want to click into the melamine side mount. On this page, you see you have custom markup here. And when you drop that down, we have our drawer box markup. I'm going to select that. I'm going to update record. And now this melamine side mount, you'll have to go through and apply that to the drawer boxes that you want to take that markup. But then they will get priced at the drawer box markup instead of the standard. If you want to edit that, I'll click into my user here, the pencil. You can see our standard and accessory are here. They've been changed for this user. Then we also have now down here the drawer box markup, and that came in at the 1.5 default. You're welcome to change this for each individual user in the same way that you can change these. Hopefully this is helpful. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out, and have a good day.